Hello guys, I'm just chilling, about to go eat breakfast. It's already past 12:45, so kind of got a late start, but at least I got my makeup on. But last night I was hitting the casino and I have a visitor, and I'll tell you more later. But yeah, that's it. I'm just hanging out, and come spend the day with me. See you in a minute. So I went to go eat. As you saw, I had a burrito with beef and rice and beans. It was pretty good. It was just like Tex-Mex food. I usually go eat there with my mom whenever she visits. So, I mean, pretty much I'm full. And now, I have to run some errands. But, other than that, I think I'm gonna go back to the casino. I hate to say it, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. And so, I mean, you know, love, live, learn. But you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't feel like doing anything. Like, I already have everything I want. I already bought everything I want. Like, I don't really want to do anything. And my mom's kind of like, you know, like, she gets restless. She's like, well, I'm not. She feels like it's like vacation right now. She's in vacation mode. So I don't know what else to do. But I'm not just going to sit around and kind of bore her. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to take full advantage of every opportunity and enjoy, you know, family time. Enjoy the moments before and leading up to my birthday. And yeah, be right back. So I went and got my iPhone, and this is what I'm recording on. Sorry I didn't do the unboxing, but like, I literally went to the store and I didn't really get anything but my phone, which like took a lot of responsibility stuff. I'm not good at that. So I was standing there like, what is my password to my phone? And here we have a wonderful charger, my new phone, and I don't know if it comes with other stuff. It don't look like it comes with other stuff. Sometimes they come with other stuff. Let's see. That's it, right? Right, guys? I don't know. But just your typical USB-C cable and the phone. So I'm so happy, guys. This year is our year, definitely. It's definitely the red pill year. Year of the winners. And so yeah, this is my birthday present. So grateful. Although it's for work, it's still very grateful. I know I'm gonna enjoy it, and I know it's a bit nerdy, but you know, it's also very much needed, because yeah, I'm always online. And I do think that I'll record some more later on, so you can see my entire day. So stay tuned. So here's a little bit of recording in the daylight. I know you guys rarely see me outside in the daylight. This is a cloudy day. It's flurries and kind of beautiful and gorgeous February crisp wintry day. Snow on the ground, a bit of snow on the ground still. And yeah, the weather's, like I said, it's pretty fair, but very much giving off some gloom up there. And yeah, I think it's gonna get dark really fast. Woo! Those clouds are rolling in. So let me, I'm here, McDonald's. Trying not to order everything. But I think I just want ice cream. If you know, you know. See you in a bit.